Ivan, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
We're gonna go get on the ferry and we're going camping. Well, we're going bikepacking, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna leave Port Townsend and go to Coopville and camp at Fort Ebey. Ivan's got the most loaded bike of all. Ivan, how much stuff do you have on your bike?
One thing. You're wrong, Daddy.
Okay. All right. Well, let's get after it. Oh, no, oh, keep going, keep going. Can't go down there, that's stairs. And then we're gonna take another right, okay? All right, Heidi, here's your ticket. Give it, here, Ivan, here's your ticket. Put it in your pocket.
I don't have a pocket.
Oh.
I don't have a pocket.
Okay, well, give it back to me. What? You've been on these ferries dozens of times. Is that like Darlene's?
We're here doing a puzzle. And we're on the ferry and we're moving. It's quite enjoyable. So that's the water. Someone that gets left here and it keeps going out.
I'm just gonna lead you guys at first. Here, Ivan, go to the end of the ferry dock and then just... And I'd put your seat post up if I were you. Nice, Heidi. Doing good. Taking a little lunch break.
Torpedoes?
Torpedoes. It smells lovely. Look at all those lovely cows over there.
No, they're not lovely. There's a big stack of poop.
That's the one time that you can say potty talk, and I'll laugh at it. All right, so up here we're gonna take a right, take that to the highway.
The two airmen.
But Ivan's going so slow we're gonna fall over. You're doing it, guys, you're doing it. So close to the top of the hill. Ivan was a little ray of sunshine when we first started.
Here.
And then we came to the hill and the rain cloud came out. Okay, shift so your pedal strokes mean something. Woohoo!
Hold up.
Hold up.
Is there gonna be stairs to get up there?
No, see, it's like a merry-go-round. It's like a spiral.
Oh.
Front. Yep. Okay. Way out.
One of those because there's only one. Oh, and one of those ginormous cookies.
One of the enormous bacon and cheddar scones.
No, hold on. I really want one of those.
You want a gluten-free lemon cake?
Yeah.
Why don't we just get a real lemon cake? You're not gluten intolerant. Pass this, okay? We're gonna turn in here. Easiest gear. Looks like a short hill. We got this, guys. We got this, buddy.
We don't get this.
Okay, rain cloud.
That's hard to pedal. My easiest gear.
Because it's a really, really steep hill. Oh. It's okay. Oh, oh, hey, you got it, bud. You got it. We're almost there. We're almost there. You want a break, bud? Nope. Okay. Heidi's napping on her sleeping bag. Whoa, big hill! Woo! Alrighty, well, we just wrapped up Kettle's Trail, and now we're gonna descend more Kettle's Trail.
Hey, Dad. Daddy, I want to show you something.
Okay, show me something. Oh.
And it's called the poop cycle.
The poop cycle.
Where are we gonna get more water?
Hopefully the campground. Side hit.
What is that?
All right, well, it feels good to be on a real path, doesn't it, guys? This is bike packing at its finest. Hey, we found the campground.
Dad, you just said hey 2 times.
I know, I don't know where I'm going though. Oh, you are here.
So where did we bike? Where did we start?
Oh, we started way over here, buddy. I'll show you on the map.
Stop copying me. Stop copying me.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Okay, either way we gotta climb, but
Other way we got climb, but
let's make it as short as possible.
let's make it as short as possible.
Okay, if you have to do everything that I do,
Everything that I do.
then that means you have to bike as fast as I do.
That means you have to bike as fast as I do.
Okay, let's go, bud. Ready? Whoa! Nice, Ivan. I think, yep, this is us. We'll just have to push a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, buddy. Well, it looks
Hey,
like,
at least you didn't fall right there.
yeah, fair enough, right? That could have been on a spiky. That's a half glass full type attitude right there, Heidi. Just as Heidi said, okay, don't bike it. Hey, we made it. Look at that. For every pedal stroke, you get a gummy worm. Hey, hiker biker sites?
Yeah. So they're just go back down the hill.
Oh, back down that way.
You don't have far to go, guys.
Good
Well
ride.
done. Very impressed.
All right, we made it.
Yes,
Oh,
big.
good job, guys.
Now don't tell me again. You farted.
Oh, awesome. It's like they even put sand in there to make it even cushier for us. Man, this is a deluxe campsite.
You don't need to yell about it.
Go out, turn muffin.
You did it. I'm super proud of you.
I'm
Okay, how far do you think you biked?
13 miles.
Heidi says 13. How many miles did we bike, Ivan?
13.
Oh, come on, you got to make another guess. Whoever's
10.
whoever's closest gets the first gummy worm.
Actually, 12.
12. Ivan guesses 12. Heidi, you're 13.
Yeah.
Final answers?
Sure.
11.74.
So 11 miles?
Almost 12 miles. So Ivan technically was closest. So he gets the first gummy worm, but Heidi gets the second gummy worm.
Wait, that means Heidi gets 2 gummy worms?
Heidi gets 2 gummy worms. No! Ivan, you get the first gummy worm out of the bag, and Heidi gets the second gummy worm out of the bag.
Oh, so she gets 2
I don't,
and
I
I
don't
get
even
1?
really care who's first.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't matter who's first. It was a dumb prize. Okay, let's set up our tent. All right, we got camp all set up.
And I also just did get a honeybee on me.
Oh, I haven't got a honeybee. And Heidi set up our kitchen.
Uh-huh, she's amazing, right?
Yep. All right, now we're gonna go back to the battery. All right, guys, have fun. Discovered quite the structure here.
What is going
That is awesome. Should we climb it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Now I have to be able to get down. All right, what's for dinner, kids?
Noodles.
Macaroni and cheese.
Deluxe macaroni and cheese. Well, I'm still hungry. That was really good. So I am gonna make some more. How many badges on now?
3.
Yeah, what are all they?
Chipmunk badge.
Where'd you get it from?
These people, I don't even know their names.
All right, good night, everybody. We'll see you in the morning. It's gonna be snug in here tonight. Good morning. Up for a little rip. Hills Trail, here we go. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! Woohoo! Whoa! All right, lots of speed, lots of speed! Wow, you did it, buddy! Look at you go! Oh man, amazing what some determination and a good bike will do. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the first Kittle Kid bikepacking adventure. We packed up camp, we're ready to go. The GoPro is about to die, so maybe no more footage for the rest of the trip, but it's been super fun.
A really fun bike packing trip, except for the big hills.
Yeah, there have been a few big hills. But everybody's been awesome sport.
I'll try that again.
We slept super
It is
well
so fun.
and had...
So, the hills, Heidi's kind of right.
What does she write about?
The hills.
The hills.
That's my dumb part.
Yeah, I know. Such is life. Life goes up and life goes down. Okay, well, hopefully we'll see you guys at the ferry. If not, all right, made it to the ferry. Heading home. Whoop. We got the whole ferry.
Bye, Cooper.
Okay, we're off the ferry. Last and final hill, guys. You got it. We did it.
I tried.
We did it. Good job, guys.